Thank you, everyone. So, how's everyone doing? Good.
Good.
We all see that rate drop a little bit last month, right? But this month it's gone back up, and our business depend a lot on mortgage rate. But I think that is all about us, how good we are, how good we are as a loan officer, how good is our rate, how can we help our client, are we better than our competitor? So today webinar, I want to show you everything about factory. I want to show you our platform, show you the benefit, what you will get when you work with Loan Factory. I want to show you our system, our support, our lenders, everything. And one thing I want you to do is two things actually. I want you to compare everything you have or your company have versus the Loan Factory. Okay, compare, always compare. Everything I say, compare to what you have or your company have. And please ask a lot of questions. I want you to ask a lot of questions because that means you're learning, right? You're comparing. And if the question is not related to what I'm talking about, please wait to the end because there's so much information that I will share with you. So if it's not related to what I'm just talking about, then please wait to the end. And I promise you, I will answer all questions that you have. Okay? But I really want to encourage you to be active, to compare what I have, the company have, versus you, what you have. And then secondly, ask a lot of questions. Okay? So now I'm going to share the screen. I will share the screen so that we can go over everything together. Here is our website. Here's our website. And you can see that the website is relatively simple, but it has all the functionality. It does all the job to help me get more clients. And remember this, you get the same website when you join Loan Factory. You have your own website with your own domain name. You can buy your own domain name if you want. Yeah. Like for example, Raymond Brown. You can get a RaymondBrown.com or RaymondLoanOfficer.com or RaymondMortgageKing.com. You know, you can buy your own domain name, and we will help you have build your own website. It's free, completely free. And your website will have your pricing, your application, everything. Okay, it's all free. Right now, I see a lot of loan officers don't even have their own website. They don't have a way to share your information with the consumer or take application or share the pricing and all that. We change all of that. We give you a website so that you can become a different and better loan officer. So the moment, remember this word, and I want you to evaluate it, if it's true or not. The moment you join Loan Factory, you are a different and better loan officer. You are way better. And I will prove that to you. Okay? So you can see on the right side is our pricing engine, consumer-facing pricing engine. Most brokers don't have this. Secondly, our pricing engine is very easy to use and powerful. And on top of that, there's many more. Like we have the no income doc here, non-QM pricing engine. No other company has it. And the consumer can do it themselves. And you know, I will show to you how powerful is this pricing engine. So the consumer, they go in, they can check the rate, They can click here, get code, right? And here's the good thing. Our system check to see if they qualify for better rate based on their income. So if they choose their income at 230,000, they get a rate discount. That's LAPA waiver. This one, most loan officers don't even know. This is really powerful. And then they can see the rate. See how easy it is for the consumer to check the rate. When they see the rate, we are showing the rate of all the lenders. I mean, 30 plus, 36 plus lender that we are working with. So you can see the rate right here. You can see the rate, right? On the left side is the parameter. The right side is the rate. And the consumer can see the rate and the points added, the best lender, and the payment. So 5.75% with a little bit of points. This is what the consumer can get. Very easy. And we have 36 lenders. The consumer can click on it and they can see all the ranking of all the lenders. So AmWest have the best rate, Rock Bank, Union Home, Provident, Clinton. So here are the list of all the lenders. And think about this. Why we have such a good rate? Because we shop around every single client whenever we have a client. You know, think about this. If you offer a client $4,000 point 75 5.75% with 4,000 points, but we offer them with only 800. Who's gonna win? I know for sure a lot of loan officers send loan to this lender. They are pretty well known. That means a lot of loan officers out there are not smart at all. They are killing their business by sending the client to this lender, right? This is not smart at all. How can you win when you offer high rate like this? Look at all of these high rate, right? So bad, so bad. So that's why it's powerful to have a pricing engine for the consumer to see. And when they see that, they say, wow, this company, they shop around 36 lenders. They give me the best possible rate. Let's apply. That's how we win, right? They trust us that we're going to give them the best rate. That's why they will apply. So I see Gabe. Hi, Gabe.
Yeah, hey, Tuan, a question for you. Does that include lender comp already built in?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
It already includes 1% compensation.
1%.
So this is for the consumer. So what they see is what they get. And we get paid 1%. So I really, really, really want you to do this exercise. Compare your rate right now versus Loan Factory. Imagine the client shop around and they approach you and they say, hey, Loan Factory offered me this rate. Can you beat it? And I challenge you to beat my rate. If you cannot beat my rate, you will lose the client, right? And when you run a business and you lose client, then that is not good. Why not having better pricing to offer to your client? Why not? Answer yourself this question, right? If you can beat me, join me. That's it. It's simple. And I will show you a lot more benefit, a lot more benefit. This is just the beginning, okay? This is just the beginning. So let me share with you how powerful it is. So for example, if you know that Freddie Mac removed the minimum credit score, right? So we are fixing that. But imagine you don't use this tool. You don't use this tool, our tool. So you quote a rate with 20% down, but the borrower has bad credit score. Look at the rate that you will offer your client. This is the rate that you will offer your client. 6.875. And this is the best rate for this scenario. However, if you use our tool, you say that the client income is 230,000 a year, then let's check out the rate. Let's check out the rate. You can see the rate now drop to this. So 1 full percent lower. Who's gonna win? Right? And remember, we always shop around among 36 lenders. And there's so many other features. Like if the client wants this rate with no point, they can create a rate alert. They can enter their information, and that's it. We will email or text them. Really easy to use. They can see the fee, they can apply, they can create rate alert, they can see if they qualify or not. Super easy and simple. And on top of that, they click on it, they see amortization, they can do the buy down option. They say, with this rate, if I want to buy down, I pay 5,000, I get 5.5. You select the two options and compare. And you have a compare, the break-even point is 4 years, 10 months if you buy down. Hey, and Kush?
Yeah, hi. So my question is, they will always see with 1% fee, or it will be on to us how much we want to charge and build our website?
Good question. It's up to you. So on your website, you can say, I want to make 2%, 1.5%, or you can make, I want to make 50 bps. It's up to you. On your website, there's a lot of customization you can set. Yeah.
Got it. And another thing, so you said like you have 36 total lenders?
No, we have more than that, way more than that. But on
Okay.
the pricing engine, we have 36. We have other lender, and we see that their rate are not good. They have nothing special. That's why we don't put them into the pricing engine.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Ankush. So there's more and more to this. So let's say if you borrow, you quote them 5.875% rate, right? Which is very good. I don't think any of you can beat this rate. You can also, they say, if they ask for a lower rate, you can go to 20 years. And you can see the rate will drop to this. And then you go to 15 years. You can see the rate drop more. And you can always, after that, you can compare now, and you can see side by side, 30 year, 20 year, 15 year. You can show them the saving. The client will love it, right? This is super helpful for me. I show you one trick. When the client called me and asked for refinance, I try to drive them to 20-year fix, because nobody wants to extend the term of their loan, right? They paid 3 years already. They don't want to refinance and get another 30 years loan. They want to shorten the time, right? And then with 20 years, they get lower rate. So if you quote them 30 years, they don't want to refinance. They said, oh, my rate is like this. There's not much saving. And then I have to extend 30-year loan. I don't like it. So what I do is I tell them to go with 20 years. They see lower rate, and they save a lot more. And they cut down the time they have to pay up the loan. They love it. So this is the tool that I use a lot. I even can do this. I can even like, I can do this. I can compare, right? No, there have to be a refinance. On a refinance, I can compare. On a refinance, I can compare with the loan that I have right now. So there's a lot of tools to help you. Not only that, you can also compare an FHA to a VA loan. You run the scenario, you click on it. You go back here and change it to FHA loan, and you price it and you compare. Very easy. And here is really cool, no income doc. Really cool. I don't think any other company have this. And this is for the consumer as well. So you can do a refinance or purchase. And you can say, I want investment jump to DSCR right away, right? And let's say you want to do 25% down. You can adjust the ratio here. You can adjust the ratio and other information and prepayment term. Then you can see the rate and look at the rate here. It's a little high investment DSCR because the score is too low. So let's say the score is better. Now the rate is, it's so weird. What happened? No ratio, that's why. I think this is wrong. No ratio, it shouldn't be there. No ratio. Yes, it's in. That must be a bit. That must be a bug. We need to fix it. One second. Yeah, hi, Nancy. Hello, Nancy. We cannot hear you. Hi, Nancy. Okay, we'll have to come back to you later. I'm sorry. So now I finished the pricing engine. And by the way, you can try all of this. The good thing about Loan Factory, we love transparency. We like to share everything. We are not afraid of competition. We don't hide anything. And because we do business transparently, people love us. Consumers love us. And I want you to play around with our technology. Hey, Rahul. Hello, Rahul.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
thank you. Yeah, this is Ravi. Yeah. Actually, the Loan Factory, the shoe like I compared it to many other sites. This one is basically looking great. Actually, a lot of many new features, and two things. What I found is the ARM products. I did not see hybrid ARMs. That is one thing. Another one is let's say when the new user come to Loan Factory, right? Under the products, loan products, it is not showing up all the loan products. It is showing like chattel loan, HELOC. So the first impression I got is you offer only like 3 products. If you have full list of products,
Wow.
even the new user also can come and see. Yeah.
Yeah. So what happened is that is not correct though.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So what happened is first, you talk about ARM.
Oh, yeah.
And yes, broker like us, we don't have rate for ARM and jumbo. ARM and jumbo loans, we cannot compete against other like the banks or credit union. We cannot. But we are very strong with all other products. We are very strong with all other products. Like
Okay.
here, you can see we have FHA, conventional, home ready, home possible. We have all kind of product. And I think this is investment, that's why. But yeah, we have conventional, all of these products on our pricing engine. And I think you mistake because the website on top, we are building new portal for commercial, for reverse mortgage, for equity line of credit, for all kind of product. So we are building a separate portal to help loan officer because we know that loan officer, like most of us, we don't know how to do a reverse mortgage. We don't know how to do a mobile home loan. We don't know how to do a commercial loan. All kind of special loan. Most loan officers don't know how to do it. So Loan Factory, we are working on to build a separate portal for all of you, so that whenever you have a commercial loan, or reverse mortgage, you know how to do things, and you know how to handle it, how to submit application, how to take application, you know what document is needed, you know how to price the loan. So right now, it is impossible for a loan officer to know all of that. And we are working on building those. Okay. And I will
Okay.
a lot more. We offer all kinds of products. Now, we are the second biggest mortgage company out there, mortgage broker out there. So we offer all kinds of product, all kinds of lenders. Thank you. Hey, Craig.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Hey,
Hey,
Craig.
thank you for calling me. Raghu, I was going to add on to his comment. I'm not sure what part of the country you're in, Raghu. Are you in, what part of the country are you in?
I'm in Texas.
Texas, okay.
Yeah.
So I think a lot of loan officers gravitate to that big loan, that $1 million or $2 million loan. Our wheelhouse is up to 1.2 million is the place to go to. And you have to think about it too. If you have a market share of 100%, that jumbo stuff is less than 15% of the marketplace. So it's kind of cool to get that stuff, but that's not our strong point right now. Our strong point is your friends at the bank, they don't know how to do reverse mortgages. They don't know how to do a second reverse mortgage. They don't know how to do a second bank statement loan that banks can't do. I just brought in a guy from Citibank. And Citibank, you guys all know they do a great job on the jumbo stuff. But what he's doing, he left Citibank to come aboard the Loan Factory. He's going back after his Citibank clients or his Citibank compadres, along with his Wells Fargo people, and getting all their turn down business at the bank. So these banks are a great resource to get business that you normally couldn't get. So think about it from that perspective. That's what we have. We have all kinds of products to work with. And what's cool about the Loan Factory is this. A big bank is kind of in cement. They don't move or adjust very well. The Loan Factory, we're kind of in wet cement. It's always evolving, always in changing, always improving. So with all of the input we have, Tuan and team are always making little tweaks to just fine tune it. It's kind of like a Formula One car. We're just finely tuning it so we can take some nice lap times here. So as time gets on and you're more familiar with the system, you'll kind of see what I mean. Thank you.
Oh yeah, thank you very much, Craig. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Craig. Thank you. So here on the bottom of the code result, the consumer can see our loan officer. And if you go to, let's say, Yilin, right? You can see Yilin. This is her website. This is her profile, actually. And then she have her own website here, yilinmortgage.com. And let's click on it. And this is her website. This is her website, where it's almost the same as the main website of the company. And I will, if you play around with it, you will see it's really powerful. So let me go back to our main website, and you can see that on the left is $1,000 best price guarantee. We are probably the only mortgage company in America that dare to have this program. This is a program. It's not just an ad. We have term and condition. So we want the consumer to give us the loan estimate from a competing loan officer. If they do that, that is the first step. They give us the loan estimate. We will tell them if we can beat it or not. And if we cannot beat it, they can close the loan and give us the final CD. And then we will pay them $1,000. So this is the coolest program that any loan officer would ever dream of. You know, all loan officer, we all know that consumer nowadays, they shop around crazy, right? That is undeniable. Everyone, all consumers are shopping around. They want a lower rate. And as the loan officer, you want to be able to tell everyone. You want to be able to tell the client that you have the best rate. If not, you pay them $1,000. You want to be able to go out there and promote yourself and tell all the consumer out there and challenge them. Hey, go ahead and shop around. Hey, go ahead and get another quote from another loan officer, give it to me. I bet I can beat it. If I cannot beat it, I give you $1,000. That is the dream come true for loan officer. And we give you that so that you can win. You can win, not only win the existing client, but new client. And the best part is in situation that we cannot win, the company will pay $1,000. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay. The only thing we ask for is thing that you already do. So for example, a $500,000 loan, you make, let's say you make 1%, $5,000. But if the competitor has better rate, slightly better, then we ask you to lower your comp so that the offer is better. And if you have to keep, you have to willing to drop your comp all the way to zero in order to win. And I think all of us already do that. And we never, we make sure that you will never lose money. So for example, you have to lower your comp all the way to $500. In that case, the worst case is you do it for free. You never have to, you know, use your own money to pay. Never. And if the commission is too low, way too low, we also split the commission. So you get something, a little bit, company get a little bit, everyone happy. The client is the one that happy the most. And that's what you want, right? You want your client to be happy with you, right? So this is the best program. And it's because you can use it to go out there and help the consumer, give them the best possible rate and win more clients. Hey, I'm Kus. Hello, I'm Kus.
Yeah. Hi. I sorry. Like, I had two questions. One you already answered. Like, second one. So you guys said like you are not competitive. Rates are not competitive, or we don't even offer super jumbo loans or jumbo loans at all.
Oh, good question. Yeah, this program we will exclude. We only include fixed rate, conventional FHA and VA loans. No adjustable rate, no jumbo, no weird type loan. Only conventional FHA and VA.
So in case if happens, like I live in a neighborhood like which has like more than always like more than $1 or $1.5 million houses. So if I get that business, so what's the best way to proceed about it? Or there is no way.
There's no thing we can do. For jumbo loan, we cannot win. That is the fact, and there's nothing we can do. I live in California, Silicon Valley, so I am in the same situation, and I cannot do anything. I did refer my clients to the banker because they have better rates. I cannot do anything, but I also help them shop around, and they love me because I shop around for them. And that's why they remember me and they always come back to me, even though I don't do the loan, but they love me.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, Craig.
Hey, I was going to add back onto it. Bassy, whereabouts do you live, man?
In Austin.
Austin, Texas. Okay, all right. So you're in a very unique area where it's super high priced. Same thing with myself. I'm in California. So you have to remember, like I said earlier, our marketplace is 85% of the market. So the question I have for you, do you want to play in the 85% marketplace or the 15%?
No, I mean, like, if possible, I want to play with at 100% market, right? I mean,
right.
Because these loans, like you get once in 3-4 months, and then they're really good loans, right? I mean,
right. So I get you. This is what I would do. I would try to make a relationship with a banker in the area, with a couple of them that do those bigger loans. Those banks get in people that can't do They can't do a non-QM loan. They can't do a bank statement loan. So those guys could feed you business. You feed them business back. They feed you business back. So in other words, you're feeding them a deal. You're not wanting any commission, but they're going to feed you business back on the non-QM stuff, the reverse mortgages, bank statement seconds. I'm not sure in Texas you can do the bank statement seconds, but you get what I'm talking about. All the things that a bank can't do, we can do, and we do a rock solid job with. And there's more of those deals than there are in the jumbo deals. And you can make more money on the jumbo deals because someone at Citibank doing a loan for $2 million, guess how much commission they make? $10,000.
Yeah.
Thank you, Craig. So now here is our marketplace, and this is really amazing as well. Think about it, yes, that you can easily reach out to the lender anytime you want to, and you can see them, meet them face to face. To live, that means they are live. The AE are live to help you. So we have 8 lenders online live right now. You can talk to live, and you can, if you click on it, you can see everything about the lender. Everything. Everything should be on your fingertips. You can see all of the AE, their email, phone number. You can reach out to them. You can see the best information of the lender. You can see the lock policy and fee. You can see EPO policy. You can see the niche and overlay DPA program, turn time. You know, there's so much information that you can learn from the lender. And let me see. Go back here. So, and we have 2 channels, wholesale and correspondent. So if you choose correspondent here, you can see here are the 40 states that we are a lender. We have the correspondent loans. So these states, we can do correspondent. And loan officer love to send loan to the correspondent channel. And here are the 5 lenders that we are working with, the investor. If you want, you can locate any lender in the drop down here. 243 lenders total. And you can select one and you can see them. You can click on it, you can see them. Okay. I see some hand. So, hi, Ankush.
Sorry, I forgot to drop my hand. Sorry. Go ahead.
Hi, Antonio. Hello, Antonio. Okay, I will move on. Yeah, Antonio. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. First, when you go into the states, I seem to be from Connecticut. Is in place to get licensed in Connecticut, or what's the?
Yeah, we have some issue with them. So we are licensed in 48 states except Connecticut and New York. So we're still working on getting a license with them.
Okay. It's coming anytime soon, or?
It has to be probably a year from now to be realistic.
Excuse me?
It might be a year from now.
A year from
to be
now.
realistic. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
And then here are all the products that we offer: QM loan, non-jumbo, non-QM loan, private loan. So let's say private loan. If you have a private loan, you go here, you see we have 81 lenders that can do private loan. Okay. If you choose commercial, we have 52 lenders that do commercial loan. Here are all the commercial lender. And you can choose home equity, DPA, reverse mortgage. We have 15 lenders that can do reverse mortgage. So we do vacant land mobile home loan. We can do that as well. So we have a lot to offer you. And let's say if you have a mobile home loan, you want to ask them a question. You have a difficult scenario. What you can do is you can click on this button, email this lender a scenario, and you can write your scenario here and send it out. And they will receive a text message or email and they will get back to you. So for example, if you go to lender finder here, you can see our loan officer are asking questions. They're asking questions here. And the lender answered here. So if you have difficult scenario, you can come here and we can help you. And the lender can help you. Okay. One more second. Okay. Let's go to Loan Factory tab here. And you can see that we have a support specialist ready and standby to help you. If you have any question about anything, go here and talk to this specialist. We have underwriter is live to help you. You can go and talk to them. We have a corporate coach who are live to help you. So if you are new, you have a question about the loan, you can approach the underwriter or the corporate coach to ask them questions. They are live to help you. So if you click on it, it will launch this. And if I want to talk to Edward, see, I can come in and talk to the loan officer, the coach, to ask questions. Okay, that is the level of service, the level of support that you will get. No other company offers you this for free. I will come back to this later. And now I want to show you. In general, the benefit of working with Loan Factory. So, just 1 second. This is also the train you. And then on the completed event, you can see the training as well. Okay. So we offer a lot of training and it's all free training. Marketing support. Our marketing team is very good with marketing. They can help you with creating customized image for free. They can edit your video for free. They can run ads for you for free. So our marketing will support you, and it's completely free. Underwriting support. Our underwriter, we have 5 in-house underwriter. They can help you with your difficult scenario. If it's complicated, you have questions, you need help to structure it, they can help you. If you have a difficult scenario, you don't know what program or what lender to submit the loan to, they can help you. So our underwriter can help you for free. And you see our loan officer support, right? It's on our marketplace. You can go there and talk to them, they will help you. The technology, there's no monthly fee. You know, other companies charge you a monthly fee, or they force you to buy the technology, to subscribe to lending pad, 𝐅𝐅𝐈𝐂𝐃, the loan sitter. You have to pay for all kinds of software. At Loan Factory, everything is free. Everything, all the technology, email, Google Drive, AI, the loan, the pricing engine, the LOS, the POS, the website, the CRM, everything we build for you, and it's free. That is big, because most other company no other company offer you this. And we offer to pay you 100% commission. Of course, you pay a flat fee of $5.95 per loan. And the commission, you can be 1099 or W2. If you are licensed and do business in some of the state, you have to be W2. And we have the list of the state right here. The list of the state is California, DFBI, Georgia, Indiana, Massachusetts, Maryland. I'm sorry. MD is Maryland. I'm sorry. MS, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. So these are W2 states. If you want to be 1099, you avoid these states. Okay. I think I will take a break. Hey, Yanabadala.
Hey, yeah, this is Kishwan. So
Yeah.
I have a question. So some of my borrowers are friends, they are residing in a different states, but for few people I cannot take a license. So is there any referral or anything, like if we refer to somebody, or what is the approach to do the
Yeah. The approach is you should get the license in many states. Don't do business in one state. It's easy to get the license. It's very easy. In 24 states, you don't need to study at all. You just apply and pay the fee and get the license. And in most other states, you normally take about 2 hours and that's it. Yeah, then you can apply and get the license. So it's pretty easy to get license. You should try to get the license so that you can help your client and grow your business. In the case that you don't want to get the license, then you can, if you are W2, you can refer to the company and we will pay you 50% of the commission. You don't need to do anything. And if you're 1099, we cannot pay you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Hey, Gabe.
Hey, Tuan, thank you. Just kind of backing up to underwriting again. Recently, based off of some research that I've done, it looks like you guys hit a nice milestone of 1,000 loans with 5 underwriters. How does that occur? You know, I've been in the industry a long time, and 1,000 loans is a lot for 5 underwriters, and then to be able to have the opportunity to visit and take questions. I guess those underwriting turn times always seem to come into question. So curious how.
Good question. We are not a fully delegated lender. We are non-del. So every single loan will be submitted to the investor or lender, and they will approve it. Our underwriter is in-house and just to support you. They don't fully underwrite a loan. They only support you if you need help with scenario, with structuring the loan. And in some case, they can help you fight against the lender. Let's say for some reason the lender denied the loan or come up with real condition, they can take a look and fight for you. But they know the guideline. They will help you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. And Kush?
So yeah, do you have like products for like to mesh to offer to builders? Because I've seen in past like new built homes, builder offers so low rates. It's always difficult to beat those rates.
There is no way to beat the builder. The reason is really simple. The builder is subsidizing the rate. The builder wants the borrower to buy house from them. So instead of giving 30,000 discount to the price, they use the money to buy down the rate. So there's no way we can beat the lender at all.
Makes
There's
sense.
nothing we can do. Yeah.
Okay. And do you
Yeah.
have like enough support? Like if I want to apply for different states, right now I am in 4 states, but if I want to apply for more states, I have to do it of my own, or you have administrative support who can help me out with that?
Yeah, we have our resource here where you can get more license, get licensed in more states. We have instruction to help you. Step-by-step instruction, and now our licensing team can support you and guide you as well. It's easy.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Let me go here to the main page right here. Okay, so let's go back up here. Go back up here. Okay, it's loading. The processing is only $500. Out there, it's at least $700 to $900 per transaction. So we are so much better in everything. So our processing team not only is cheaper, but they do a lot more work for you. They take care of the loan from A to Z. I'm sorry to say this, but they will take care of the loan the moment it's ready to be submitted to the lender. So when the loan is ready to be submitted to the lender, you will go in and tell the processor to submit it. And when, here is what we are doing. On our, you see here's our website, right? I log in. And you see that we have 3 pipeline: leads, prospects, and loan. So we all know what is lead, right? A lead has only the name and phone number or email. That is the minimum. That's considered a lead. A prospect is an actual application. People apply. The moment they apply, we have a prospect. And our goal is to make sure they finish the application. Make sure they upload all the documents, right? And when they finish the application and upload document, you will go in and review. You will go in and review 1003, review document, make sure everything match up, everything makes sense. You will see if they qualify or not. You will pull credit report. You will run AUS. Those are your job. As the loan officer, you need to know what's going on. You need to know the client. You need to review document, make sure everything good and ready to go. The moment the client fill out the application, you will get notified. So you or the client can fill out the application. For you, you can You can manually fill it out or have AI to fill it out for you. The client, same thing. And if you choose AI option, you can upload this document and AI will read it for you and fill out application for you. So that is the technology that we have, powerful technology. And not only that, AI can calculate DTI for you. We have that already for W2, and we are working on calculate DTI for 1099 as well. So we are a fintech company. We use AI. And the moment they fill out the application, we send you a text message so that you know, oh yeah, I have a new application. Here's the borrower name, here's the email, here's the phone number. You can pick up the phone and call the client and help them to make sure they finish the application and upload document, because that is the most critical part of the loan process, right? You want your client to finish the application and you want to help them. So, I see a few more hands. Hey, Ron. Hello, Ron.
Hey, Tuan, thanks for taking the question. My question is regarding being 1099 versus W-2. I'm personally licensed in 2 states, and my corporation is licensed in 2 states. Can you pay the corporation if it's licensed?
Yes, we can pay if your company has a license, but that is also tricky, and I advise you not to. The reason is, if you have a company with a license, then why join Loan Factory when you can work as a broker and get paid and keep everything to yourself, right? Because
your technology.
I see. Because if you join and you keep your company license, the state might go after you. They might audit you, and it's
I don't think you can. I don't think you can do that. You cannot be working for 2 companies, because you probably be working for a loan factory and also going to be working for your own company. You can't do that. You can only have a license in one company.
Most of the time, that's correct. Most of the states do not allow you to have your license with more than one company, except a few states like Texas or Washington. They allow that, but it's really complicated. And my advice is, you should not do that. You should not have a company with the state license, because the state might audit you, and it's a lot of headache. My advice is not to do that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Craig.
Hey there. What's interesting, Ron, I've been a broker for about 35, 40 years now, and I understand the reason why you're doing it. So you're getting 1099 income coming in. You could take that and shift it to an LLC or to another company for tax purposes. You can just get with your accountant on that. But what's interesting about the platform that we have here at the Loan Factory, I've been doing business in only 1 state. And I got licensed this year in over 20 states. You know, it's a pretty simple process. The advantage with that is you have a bigger network to work with. So your realtors of people shopping or moving to another area. So let's say someone's in California, moving to Arizona. Now you have that Arizona license, you can kind of do that. Or they're moving from California to Texas, and you have a relationship with a realtor. You can let them know you can handle that business for them. So being licensed in multiple states with the Loan Factory is very cool, because I don't have to have brick and mortar in Arizona. Obviously, some states that are W-2, you know, you have to kind of forgive those and, you know, give them to someone else to work with. But the platform here is nice because you can go almost nationally with the team people. So I've had a good experience with it, and it's the only state that's a little wiggy was Ohio, because I've had my license for a long time. So they made me do the 20 hours all over again. But those are not rules that the Loan Factory's made. Those are state mandate rules. Like Nevada, for instance, it's a W-2 state.
Yep. Thank you.
Nothing you can do about it.
Yeah. So let me move on quickly. I have to rush a little bit. So here, let's say the consumer go to your website. They run the pricing, right? They see the rate. They like the rate. They can apply. So there are 2 ways they can apply. They can click on the top button right here, loan application, or they can go in here and say, apply now. And they will go to the loan application process when they can say, they pre-approve, they accept my offer, they enter the email, and we will create an account for them. Then we start filling out the application. The application will give them a chance to use AI. They can upload document and AI can read it and fill out application for them. And you can configure your website so that consumer, the borrower, can pull credit report and pay for it themselves. You don't have to worry. You can turn on the switch and require them to pull credit report, and they have to pay for it. It's up to you. You decide that. And you can also, if you want, you can have a smart link to give it to the borrower afterward so that they can pay for the appraisal report. So either way, you have the control over that. And like I told you earlier, when the borrower start filling out the application, our system is smart. We text you. We let you know that the client fill out the application so that you can jump on and talk to them right away. Here is what happened. When you jump on, what you would do is you log into your website. Here, this is a website that you log in. It's a little bit scary because I'm the admin. I have a lot of function, but for you, you don't see a lot of function like this. But the bottom line is the moment you get a text message to your phone, log into the system, you can see that, oh, this borrower is filling out 16%. This borrower is filling out 58% of the application. You can see the summary here on the first page. And of course, you can click here to see the phone number. Click here to see the phone number and call them. Remember, this is a sandbox server. It's not a real production server because of the privacy. I'm not allowed to show the client name to you. So that's why I cannot show the production website to you. This is a sandbox server. The regulator is crazy. They're really tough. One time they jump in and almost fire me because I do a presentation like this and I put my real production, the client name to you, and they don't like it. So this is the pipeline, the prospect pipeline. So you can go click on the loan, click on the borrower name. Here's the application here. And your application version is the full application, but the consumer, we give them a very short application. We keep it really simple for our client. But for you as the professional, you want to see everything. You want to work on everything. So after you review the application, you can go to liability and you can pull credit report. Click on it and pull credit report. We also have the AUS here. You can click on one click and you can run AUS. You can see the result, all of that. So, and when the loan is ready to, when you review the 1003, you review the document, everything look good. What you do next is you run the pricing. So like here, you run the pricing. You click on create red alert and you can see the pricing.
Are you sharing?
Raul?
Are you sharing? Yeah.
Oh,
No.
I'm sorry. I forgot to share. I've been talking without sharing. So here's the sandbox pipeline. When you log in, you go to prospect pipeline. You can see all your loan, all the application and the progress. Right? You can see the progress, and you can click on the loan amount to see the detail. This is summary, or you can click on the borrower name to see. You go inside, and you can see all the to-do or condition. If they upload it, it show up here, and you can upload it as well. You can click on it to view it. So here are the conditional to-do, and the 1003 is right here. we have a 1003 right here, right? You can review one page by page. On the liability here, you can pull credit report. On the qualification here, our AI can calculate DTI for you. After you pull credit, you can go to AUS and click on click AUS, and you can see the result for DO and LPA. And if everything looks good, what you need to do next is you can click on create rate alert right here. And the rate alert you will be able to find out the pricing for your client. You pick the lender for your client. And after you create rate alert, you convert the loan, the prospect into a loan. So here you go to convert to loan. And when you convert to loan, you will decide you want to send it to the wholesale or correspondent. Okay. So we have wholesale and correspondent. If wholesale, you already select the lender. When you run the pricing, you select the lender. So you know the lender. You enter the rate that you want on the application. You want borrower pay compensation or lender pay compensation. If you choose correspondent, you can do the same. With borrower pay, you can enter how much you want to make. With lender pay, you cannot. You cannot make it because lender pay, you are not able to change the compensation. If you want to lower the compensation, you go here and you change it. At Loan Factory, we keep the lender pay compensation at 2.5% lender pay compensation. So that's it. And you can write a loan story so that you remember what's going on with the loan and for borrow. And then you can convert. When you convert, what happened is the processor will jump on and submit the loan for you to the lender. The processor, they will do everything from this point on. They will take the loan all the way to fund it for you. They register the loan, they issue disclosure, they monitor the loan, they find out the condition, and when the loan is first approved, they will call you and go over condition with you to make sure you and them are on the same page. You work with one processor only. You work with one processor only. We don't keep changing it. That way, you get to know the processor. They get to know you. And the processor would work with the borrower, with the escrow company, with title company, with insurance company, with the HOA. They work with all kinds, with the employer as well to do VOE. They do everything for you. And they will also escalate to you if there's a condition that they cannot close or difficult. So they will make sure the loan is moving forward until it's closed, it's funded, and then you go in and request the commission. They are required to submit your loan within 4 hours. They are required to, and they are required. They will touch your loan every day, and they have their manager who always stand by to help them. So any processor need help, they ask the manager to help right away. So that's why we are able to close over 1,000 loans last month, no problem. And the best part is your client will be happy with you because this process is so transparent, so easy. They get to do most of the work for you, and the processor is helping you. So here is why I told you they give you 5-star review. Because the borrower, what we call is do-it-yourself mortgage. The processor, the borrower do most of the work. They check the rate on your website. They fill out application. They upload documents. And then when the loan is ready to be submitted, you create rate alert for them, right? You call the borrower up and say, hey, Kevin, I just submit your loan to the lender. The lender will approve your loan within 1 to 2 days. And when the lender approves the loan, they will ask for more conditions. They will ask for more documents. My assistant, my processor will reach out to you to let you know what document is needed by the lender. And if you provide them everything they ask for, then we can close the loan. If they ask for something that you cannot provide, we cannot close the loan. My processor will be working with you. Meanwhile, I created a rate alert. The rate alert will email you the rate every morning. So please check your email every morning around 9 a.m. If you like the rate, call me and I will lock the rate for you. If you don't like the rate, we should keep waiting. But we cannot wait too long because this is a purchase. We have to lock within 2 weeks. So that's how you tell your client. And they would love to monitor the rate, and they would love to tell you what rate they want to lock. Everything's simple. And you, as the loan officer, you do very little because of the technology, because the processor and all are helping you. You do very little, which is in the middle. You review the penalty, the document, you structure the loan, you decide the lender, you decide the rate, you create rate alert all at the same time, and that's it. You know, you do very little, and the client love this because they are in control. They do most of the work themselves. They know what's going on, and they can reach out to you anytime they want. So it's a great process, and our client love our process. Only because we have the technology, and whenever we run into a problem, we fix it right away. Hey, Ankush. Hello, Ankush.
Yeah, hi. Sorry, just question regarding processor. So how many processors you guys have? Like, are they super busy? Or in case I'm not happy with my processor, like regarding how they're responding, is there any, like, can I change my processor in between? Like, how it works?
Yeah, we have over 80 processors. And if you're not happy with the processor, you can request us to give you a different one. And of course, you have a chance to talk to them. And if you don't like the processor, you can ask for a new one. So everything open up, you have the control over your processor. You can treat them like your assistant. They will help you. They work with you closely.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankush. Hey, Antonio.
Hey, listen, I'm here. I'm definitely excited. I'm looking at the W-2s versus 1099. Can you go over the difference between them, not just on the compensation, but on the benefits point of view? Which one is the most effective way of joining? Or if you become a W-2, then you can change to 1099 or vice versa. And if I'm getting licensed in California, automatic, I'm going to be W-2, correct?
Yeah, good question. So yes, most loan officer would like to be 1099 and should be 1099. Most loan officer. The only time that you have to be W-2 is when you have license and want to practice in the W-2 state. And in general, I advise you not to. I mean, if you don't have to, then avoid those states. The W-2 payment is not 100%. You get only 90%. If you go with the W-2, you get paid 90%, not 100%. Okay? The benefit, because you are classified as an outside salesperson, you get no benefit. However, we do offer 401k and worker comp for W-2 loan officer.
And about health insurance?
No health insurance, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Antonio. I think Ankush, I talked to you already. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Tuan. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
You know what? Going back to the loan processor, because I don't know who my loan processor is. Is there a way to check?
Yeah, you can easily check that. Go to your profile. You can see everything. And if you don't see that, shoot me an email. Okay.
Okay. I
And
think I
you
had
know,
one more.
go ahead. I mean, go ahead. I can show you on your transaction. On your transaction, let me share with you the screen. You
Okay.
can easily find out who's the processor. And when you convert a prospect to a loan, you can see that as well. So you can, let me see. Yeah, you can see this information. And when you look at your loan as well, you can see who's the processor. Yeah, you can, sorry, this is not a production side, and that's why you don't see that. You can see the processor, the name, and you can escalate that. Yeah, it's always there.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Tuan.
And when you join Loan Factory, we assign you a processor. You should call the processor right away and talk to them right away. And if you don't feel good, ask for a different one. We open up. We allow you to do all of that. Okay. And
Okay.
what is even better, we have a mobile app for everyone. The borrower can get a mortgage through an app. Can you believe it? Our mobile app allow our client to get their mortgage through an app. The consumer can check rate, fill out application, upload document, and chat with you and the processor to an app. So 4 things. The borrower can do that. And our mobile app available for you as well, and your realtor as well. You can travel around the world for 2 months, 3 months, and you still can function. You can work on a mobile app. We offer you all the functionality to help you, and it's free. And your mobile app, you can share with the client and the realtor. The system, the app will remember you, and if the client apply, it go to you. So that is our mobile app. You can search Loan Factory on Apple or Samsung, and you can see that. Okay.
I have one more question, Tuan. Just a quick one.
Yes.
For the loan application, is there a way we could, or is it automatically in English? Because I have clients who sometimes only speak Spanish and they would like to do it online. Or should I just help them out manually?
Yeah, we have 4 different languages on our website. You can try it out. We support Spanish as well. Yes.
For the loan application?
Yes. Oh, application, we're still working on that. But the general website, everything else, we have 4 different languages. So we are working on translating for the application as well. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Frank.
Tuan. And I was kind of asking part of the what you're talking about just now, the mobile app. So say, for example, that I have a client that a lead that I got from a real estate agent, and I talked to the client. I start the loan application. And the loan application, or once I start getting all the client's information, will I be able to send the mobile app to the client so they can upload can I start the application and have the clients then continue with uploading the documents on their end?
Yes, yes, they can do that.
Okay.
Remember, when you fill out the application, we create an account for them. They can use the account to log into the mobile app.
Okay.
And they can communicate with you, they text you on the mobile app. It's similar like Uber, right? Uber, they can text you. The rider and driver can text each other, and they can send you document to the app as well. They can upload it to the application. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because I was kind of a follow up for what Mark was talking about, because I deal with a lot of Spanish clients, and I was going through the website, and you're right. The website, you can switch it to Spanish only up to a certain point. Everything then becomes English. So I can actually go and help the client take the application by phone, and then have them just upload the documents that I need.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure that if I start it, they can finish it on their end, just uploading the documents. Okay,
Yes,
perfect.
and you can invite them too. Let's say
Okay.
you start with one page, and then you go in and say invite borrower, and then it shoot out a link to them. They click on it, they can log in, they can continue. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, as far as like, I know on the beginning of the conversation or the webinar, you were talking about the pricing on it. That the pricing, when you see the pricing on it, it has it's already then our comp plan is already built in there. But right now, you just mentioned about when you finish the application and you price it, you can either go borrower paid or lender paid. So is that something that is going to affect once the client sees a certain rate, and then we're trying to switch it to a borrower paid comp?
Basically, if the client see the rate, they know the rate, they know your comp already. You cannot change. If you change, the pricing will change, and they're not happy. So try to stick to normally. If you change your compensation, normally you lower it because you compete. Normally you cannot raise the rate because on your website you already set it like that. The client see that already. It's almost impossible to raise the comp, but you can lower.
Okay.
I help you out. I help you out. I compete. I beat anyone. If you see that client, that the other loan officer have better rate, I will offer an even better rate than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And one last question. On your processing team, do you have processors that speak Spanish to follow up with, whenever you have a loan submitted and approved, and they can contact the client? Because again, it goes back to, making sure that we can get those clients in with that don't speak English.
Yes, we have a team of processor in Colombia, so they can speak Spanish. Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you, John. Appreciate it.
Thank you. And we offer so much more. I will continue to share with you what we offer. We have, if you are busy, if you close 3-5 loans a month, you are so busy. We have a service to help busy loan officer. We call that loan coordinator or loan officer assistant. And the assistant can help you with making sure the 1003 is completed, making sure the borrower upload all documents for you. The assistant can make sure your pipeline is managed. They work with the processor, make sure the loan moving along. So if you are busy, you should choose to have an assistant to help you. It's gonna cost you $150. It's very cheap. It's only $150 per closed loan. So if you don't close the loan, you pay nothing. And most of the time, let's say you close 5 loans, you pay only $750. Really cheap. And that's why I recommend all of you to use it. If you are busy. If you're not busy, we don't offer you that. We want you to work hard to help your clients. I get.
Thank you, Tuan. So I think you just answered one of my questions regarding the loan assistant. I currently do have a loan assistant, and so as far as that goes, I'm understanding that I would not be able to have my loan assistant, correct? It'd just be this is a platform just for loan officers, is that correct?
Yeah, you cannot have your own assistant, like someone, you want that person to help you. We will not allow that because that person is not part of Loan Factory. They are not our employee. They don't have license. They are not allowed to handle the client sensitive information.
Right. Okay. Understood. That answered my question. Next thing, as far as processing, they handle all the disclosures, CDs, LEs, all that stuff.
Yeah, everything.
Okay. Now, on pricing, I know we've discussed pricing, and obviously competition's really paramount in business here. I do a lot of bond money stuff, and a lot of those bonds are so competitive that, like, for example, right now in my state, it's about 5 3/4 on a first and a second. And they're really, really aggressive when it comes to that. I've studied a little bit about some of the DPA you have, and I've also looked into that. It just, that's really my concern, is just looking at how competitive those, especially on the govies, on the first and seconds, how competitive they are.
Yeah, like I said, we are confident that we can beat anyone on conventional FHA and VA. That's why we launched that $1,000 best price guarantee. So I'm very confident on those. But the DPA, I don't think we have good rate. I mean, most of those programs are not good for the consumer. You know, that is the fact. First-time buyer, when they sign up for this DPA program, they don't have good pricing. The lender know that. The lender know that they don't have a choice, so they raise the rate. They make more money.
Yeah, and I was specifically talking about the local bond, like I'm in New Mexico, and the local bond here is called MFA, and they offer a 5 3/4 first, and then a 6 1/4 second on their bond, and it's actually pretty easy. I do a lot of that program on there. That's where I was really just looking at the competitive nature of where that stands.
Yeah, I don't know about those programs. Sorry, Jeff. I myself don't know about those programs. Yeah, thank you. Let me move on, and I try to wrap up quickly. Let me share with you my screen, and I will try to wrap up quickly, and then I will answer all the questions. Okay? We have many other things. Here is our AI here. You can launch it, and you can chat with our AI, which is very good. You can ask any question about the guideline, the rate, about Loan Factory, anything. You can ask a question and they will answer you, right? We have many different version, flavor. You ask for frequently asked question, or you want to quote rate, you want to ask the support team, you want to ask about mortgage education. MCP is the best version of AI, where we can ask any question about database and it will answer. We also have what we call here is the ticket. You can ask questions. We are improving this. I'm going to come back to that later. Here is the consumer chatting with us, but that is not also important. So let me go to the rate alert here. You can see that you know that my production is very high, right? And the reason that I have so many clients is because I have the technology. I create rate alert for all my clients. This is how I use rate alert. Very brilliant. So what happened is, I told you earlier, right? When the client apply, I create rate alert for them, and the rate alert monitor the rate for them. I also promote the rate alert so that thousands and thousands of clients out there, they love to create rate alerts so that they can monitor the rate themselves, right? So the moment rate drop, the target hit, the system will inform the borrower and inform me. Like today, there's three borrowers have the rate alert hit. They want 5.75 with $2,000 back, and it's better. This sending win won 6.49 with 1,000 back, and now is more than that. So this helped me to reach out to this client, and they become my client. They refinance. That's it. And you can see that there are two types of rate alert. Standalone, I have almost 7,000. And the alert that linked to a transaction, I have 1,600 alert. These alert running every day. And this is how I get so many clients. They love this. The client love this feature. And I want you to have that as well. And on your website, you can promote this. You can tell all your clients or future clients to sign up for this. This is the best feature that we have. Not many people have this out there. You can request commission here. You can create a ticket here. And when you create a ticket, we have many departments. Well, I would say 30 departments, more than that. And you can create a ticket to ask them, from processing to processor assist, the disposal desk, marketing, your development, HR, licensing, commission, accounting. You can create all of this ticket and ask them. Referral partners. You can create a referral partner. You can use this feature to keep track of your referral, to nurture them, to track the relationship, to see how many you send to them and how many they send to you. And the system will send them a report every month to let them know how many they've sent to us, how many you sent to them. And they can download a mobile app and work with you. When they download an app, they log in and they see all the transactions that they send to you or you send to them. So if there's any transaction that involves the realtor, they can see the status. They can communicate with you. So, and the digital wallet, we just launch it to let you keep your commission in here and spend it. We have the Loan Factory IQ, which is one of the best products as well. So all of you know HomeBot, right? On My Home IQ, right? This is the same or better. You can put all your clients. I put a lot of my clients into here, and they will receive a report monthly. They will receive the report monthly from me to let them know. Just 1 second. Here is the report. Let me share with you. Here's the report. Let's say here, this client created manually. He had I think 5 properties. And here's the report on his property. He received the report every month, once a month. The report show how much the house worth, is it go up or go down since they bought it, how much equity they have. You know, they can cash out from the equity, they can see the payment, they can see the detail, they can, if they want to pay up early, they can do that. If they want to refinance, they can refinance for this rate. They can apply right here as well. So they can see how much they can purchase, and your information will show on top and bottom of the report. So this is a very cool feature. You can share this to your realtor for free. You can use it for free. You know, it's really good. And we do everything for you automatically. If you buy it from HomeBot or My Home IQ, you have to pay at least like $150 a month. And you don't even know how to use it. Here we do everything for you automatically. We put your client into here. And you can also, let's say, you can also add new homeowner manually, or you can import a list of 200 clients in here so that they can receive the report. It's free. So this is a very cool feature, and we have it for you for free. Now go to the marketing feature. We have Facebook ads, and you can use it to run ads for free. Of course, you have to pay Facebook, but we give you a tool to run ads. You can decide when you run an ad, you can decide if you want lead or you want traffic to your website. You can pick a template. We have so many different templates, different languages as well. And if you want a different image, different language, we can do it for you. The marketing team can help you create a new template, new picture to help you promote. So let's say if you choose this best price guarantee. You want to promote this. You select it. It's almost done. So easy. You select how much you want to spend a day and when you want to end the ads. The ads already created for you, but you can modify it. You can select the state that you want to run the ads, the language that you want to run, the language of the user, and that's it. You can also check on this box so that when you have a new lead arrive, the system will text you, say, hey, do you have a new lead? Here's the borrower name, here's the lead name, call name. So this is a great tool that we have built for you to help you run ads. We help you to have Google review. A lot of our loan officers have Google review. You should have that as a professional. You must have a Google review. You must collect review. You must show off to all your future clients. This is the best way to win trust from the client. If you don't have review, you don't have trust of the client. So do this. We have many other things, email drip campaign, mailing list, and this is really cool. This is marketing material. You can see in different language, different material for you to promote. You can promote a daily rate in reviews. Let's say you have 5-star review, you can promote it. You see today have good rate, you can promote today's rate. You have a faster clear loan, you can promote it. Like here, faster clear loans. You can promote it. You close the loan in 5 days, promote it. You get a 5-star review, promote it. If you have a rate month, you can promote it. And just to let you know that we are working on this project we call automated marketing. So your company will help you with marketing. We will post for you. If you allow us, we will post for you. We generate images for you or video for you. And we know if you close the first loan with Loan Factory, we promote it. If you close a loan with Loan Factory, we promote it. If you have a happy client with 5-star review, we promote it. If you close a loan fast, we promote it. So the system knows everything about you, and we will promote it for you for free, and it's automated. You don't need to do anything. So that's how good we are. So let's say 8 days, we can generate the image and post it. We have many other features like lead funnel company on widget, the mailing list, the subscription, newsletter. We have a lot of other things to help you. And here is also cool. Company, the lead. Okay. The lead, we have different types of lead to give it to you. We have company lead, Facebook lead, Equifax trigger lead, and Rocket lead. And let's say if you want Rocket lead, we can, when you select it, you can choose to get free lead or pay for it. If you receive free lead, then the split is 50-50. If you pay for it, then it's yours. And you can even indicate how many leads you want a day. And we have, right now we have Rocket and Trigger lead for you. Rocket lead and Trigger lead. I think that is cover almost everything. And now I can take question. Let me see. Hey, Benjamin. Hello, Benjamin. I cannot hear you. I will have to come back to you later. Hi, Antonio.
Yes, Tuan, how are you? Very informative. Listen, can you access the system outside of United States? That's the
Yes.
number one question. I have 3 questions.
Yes.
The
Yes.
second one is, how long is the onboarding?
Very fast. The only thing that slow down is the state. They have to approve the sponsorship. So basically, you request us to sponsor you, we will sponsor you, and the state have to approve it. So that will take time. It might take 1 to 2 weeks. And during the time, the transition time, you can send loan under my name. And then the moment you join, we can either transfer to you or we can drop the loan and resubmit it.
Okay. And in terms of leads, what is the Rocket lead? What type of lead is that?
So Rocket sent us the lead. Basically, we all know that rates are kind of low right now. And a lot of people who got mortgage in the last 3 years, some of them have high rate. So basically, they send us the list of homeowner who bought home in the last 3 years, who have high rate. So they give us the lead like that with the phone number and email address, so that you can call and invite them to refinance. And because our system has the pricing engine, you can run the pricing right away and share with them right away. Yeah.
So those are Rocket clients, or they're just random folks picked up based on a system query?
Random.
Okay.
But again, like I said, they have high rate. And the goal is to call people with high rate and ask them to refinance.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's free. Thank you, Antonio.
Thank you, sir.
Benjamin. Hey, Benjamin.
Hey, Tuan, I'm a California loan officer. If I'm a 1099 right now. If I pick a loan in Georgia, can I be paid W-2 there?
Georgia is a W-2 state, so you have to be W-2 if you want to do license, do business there.
What about the California 1099, sir?
California, we Loan Factory just changed our policy. So if you look at the screen right now, if you are DIE endorsed, then you can be 1099. But if you are DFI, then you have to be W-2.
Oh, okay. So I cannot be 1099 California and W-2 in Georgia.
You cannot.
Okay.
If you join a W-2 state, you have to be W-2.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Marcus?
Marquise, yes. How you doing?
Good, thank you.
This question was just pertaining to the 1,000K, or sorry, the 1K best price guarantee. So when you said when we lower our compensation, if we have to lower it to 0, you mentioned that we split the compensation with a lender. Is that an even split, or what kind of split is that?
No. You don't split the commission with the lender. First of all, I want to share with you, this program is so good. We haven't lost any money. That means we never lose. We launched it for 1.5 years. We never lose. So in some rare case, when you compete crazy, you have to lower your comp lower, right? And if it end up to be like you make the commission is only $1,000, it's very little. Then we split. You keep 50%, the company keep 50%.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Marcus. Yeah, in the worst case, really bad case, when we don't have money, we have a little bit of money, then we have to go with it, right? Each of us gets 50-50, but it rarely happens because we have a good rate and good pricing engine. We know which lender have the best rate. Therefore, we don't have to suffer at all. We always win. That is the key. Hello, Rob.
Hello, and thank you for the presentation. A couple questions. You mentioned if we don't pay for the lead up front from Rocket, say it's 50-50. If we do pay for the lead up front, what is the cost of that lead?
For Rocket, we price it at $1.
Oh, okay. So each lead's $1. Okay, and then Also, business cards. Can we get business cards, or how do we do that?
You can order that online everywhere. Yeah.
So we just use your logo. We can go anywhere where we want to.
The marketing team can help you with that. You don't have to worry.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will build that for you.
Okay. Okay. And everything else pertains to individual stuff. So I can go over that later. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. The onboard team can answer all of these questions for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Nancy.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
I just had a question. Actually, I had two. I was wondering about balloon loans. Do you not do balloon loans?
Yeah, you're talking about balloon loan.
Yes.
Balloon loan, we don't have that many balloon loan, and we don't do a lot of it. Yeah.
Okay. So you do
Yeah.
not do it because I mean sometimes it's a nice program to have. You know, the interest rates are high, and then they can convert to a conventional loan. You know, shortly thereafter. But if you don't have it, that's just that's
Yeah.
okay.
I don't think those programs good for the consumer.
Yeah.
Some of the lender offer 2-1 buy down and all that, but I don't think it's good for the consumer. But
Okay.
yeah, we work with almost all lenders out there, so we can offer almost anything. If the other broker or lender can do it, we can do it.
Okay, and then the other question is, and maybe you talked about this because I had to step away, about appraising. Do you guys do like the desktop appraising, or does actually someone have to go out and do an appraisal?
That one, we don't do appraisal. The lender, we have to order from an AMC.
Okay, and then
Yeah.
they're gonna do the appraisal. The reason I was asking is because usually that's the holdup in a loan. That's from what I've experienced.
Yeah. Yeah, nowadays AMC take care of the appraisal. We don't have to worry too much. Thank you, Nancy.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Can you speak a little bit louder?
Yes, hello. A question about the company leads. Is California included in the 42 states to receive?
No. So, Loan Factory, we have client come straight to our website and apply. So we have those lead every day. Those leads are very good lead because the client, they apply. So the chance we close is very high, more than 50%. And because you do very little and the client, you know, surely will close. I mean, not surely, but most of the time they will close. You don't have to work hard, and therefore we pay you only 25 bps. However, the good thing is you're going to be the loan officer, the client, and the relationship belong to you. So that in the future, when the client come back for refinance or for more business, you can help the client. You are the loan officer.
Understood. But in California, I would not receive any company leads like that.
Right now, not California.
Okay.
There's only 42 states out there that we have this lead.
I see. In California, would I receive any leads at all from Loan Factory?
We have trigger lead and rocket lead, but not company lead.
Okay. And then with the trigger lead congressional act thing, what's your replacement for that? Is it you trying to get far more company leads and then more rocket leads and different other relationships there?
We try to get as many leads as possible for our loan officer. We also have Facebook lead. We run ads on Facebook, we get lead, and we have those leads almost everywhere.
Okay, and then in California, though, I can still participate in the marketplace in buying leads.
Yes. Yes.
However, should I just expect there to be essentially no free leads in California?
Correct.
Interview
We
questions.
can give you Facebook lead. I recommend you two things. You can work on company Facebook lead because we advertise with a Facebook lead. You can get that.
I'd be happy to do that.
Or I recommend you to run ads on Facebook or Google. And you can use our tool or our marketing can help you. Our marketing staff can help you. And we help a lot of loan officer in the past. And the cost of a lead is around $4 to $5 each. So that is something you can work on. It's not too expensive. But again, with Facebook lead, the quality is always questionable, right? You have to be, but then you can always improve. There's a lot of lead are not real. They just click on it and
of course. Do you have a percentage of those that do inevitably close?
Right now, I haven't kept track.
Yeah.
But again, if you can even convert 1%, that is very profitable. 1%.
Well, sure, but do they get converted at all, or is it just 100%?
Of course, we are converting. That's why we are advertising.
Okay, so the Facebook leads are converting.
Yeah.
Probably
sure.
highly dependent on the loan officer. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to improve because I know that the consumer is out there. Some of them do need mortgage. So it's just the way. That's just the way how you run the ads, so that the right person will click on it and give you the information and request you to call them. So, and then on the other end, a lot of loan officers are not motivated or they don't know how to talk to the client. So, the loan officer have to be good at converting as well. You need to know when to call, how to talk to the lead.
Do they leave their phone numbers on the Facebook
Yes.
lead?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can see the phone number as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. Marcus, I think I talked to you already. Hey, Darlene. Hello, Darlene.
Hi there, greetings everyone. Thank you, Don. It was amazing information for me. I am currently a licensed realtor as well as lender. Lending is the new side. I am under DRE for both. I am due to renew. However, I want to go DFPI. I have kind of been given information all over the place, talking to NMLS, and I just need to move forward. And so just wanted to see if you had any feedback on that.
Yeah, I just send you a link on the chat. You can check it out.
Okay.
About DRE versus DFPI. I recommend you to be DRE endorsed license. That way you can be 1099.
Well, no, I know I have, so let me be clear. I am ready for DFPI. I just need to do it properly because of my real estate. They're both were under DRE. And so they want me to do PE, and we're just trying to determine if I need to do the 8 hours plus the 2. But I have been in touch with Brian as well, so we'll just see if we can get this all figured out. And I just thought I would just pick your brain as well. But thank you so much.
Why would you want to do DFPI? Why not DRE?
Because I'm want to do my real estate with a different entity versus different broker versus the lending.
Just to let you know that Loan Factory, we are also a real estate broker.
Okay.
And you can work with Loan Factory as well. And on the real estate side, we also very competitive. We charge only $6.95 per transaction for real estate flat.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Yeah. Hi, and Kush.
Yeah, hi. I have 3 questions, but very quick one. First, like the leads you can buy for $1, are those like once you buy it, are those exclusive leads, or you are selling to other people as well?
For Trigger lead and Rocket lead, they are exclusive. Yeah. So basically everything exclusive within Loan Factory. Remember that within Loan Factory. Outside Loan Factory, we have no control over.
Within Loan Factory, okay, got it. Now, second question is regarding the company lead, where you will be paying 25 bips, right? After that, again, we have to pay that flat fee.
No, nothing.
No, so that is straight 25 bips.
Yeah, 25 bits. That's it. You don't pay anything. You get paid 25 bits.
Got it. And my third question will be regarding commercial loans. Are you guys competitive on DSCR and other like
Very,
DSCR products or a portfolio products?
yeah. For those non-QM loan, we are very competitive. The reason is we have the pricing engine. And, you know, we all should know this. Non-QM is different and more complicated. And because of that, a lot of lenders out there, they charge higher rate, they make more money. And if you use the pricing engine, the lender don't know that the borrower are not picky. Loan officers are not picky because it's non-QM, right? That's why they charge more. So, and the problem is the loan officer. You don't shop around. And that's why it's bad. But at Loan Factory, you can check out our pricing engine and you can see that we have better pricing, much better pricing. When you run the non-QM pricing engine, you get much better rate for your client. And because of the pricing engine, we almost guarantee that we can beat any other loan officer out there. They don't shop around. We shop around. And that's why we get better pricing.
I got it. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Anyone have any more question? Any question? So let me summarize what I show you. What I show you is the technology we build in-house. We do things to help you as a loan officer. I know what you need, so I build things to help you. You need lead, you need tour, you need communication, you need website, whatever you need, we build it for you. You need to stay in front of your client all the times. We have Loan Factory IQ. We have things to help you. We have subscription, newsletter, you know, we have marketing material, we have automated marketing, we have everything to help you. And the best thing is it's free. You get the best pricing out there to help your client, the best support, the best technology. Everything is better and it costs you nothing. You don't close a loan, you pay us nothing. You don't close a loan for 6 months, you pay us nothing. And even when you talk about flat fee, we are the best one as well. We charge the lowest. You know, other broker out there charge you a lot more. So if you look at everything, we are better. And our slogan is we dare you to compare. So I want all of you to compare. And the number one reason that made me become top loan officer in the country, because everything I do better. Every little thing I have to do better. That make me become a better loan officer. And you too, you should be very competitive. If you are not competitive, how can you offer your client the best deal, the best service, the best pricing? If you don't care, you're not going to be a good loan officer. So the bottom line is you have to care for your client. You have to care for your business. You have to become more competitive. You have to be better and better in everything. And Loan Factory can help you with that. So I want you to keep comparing what you have right now versus Loan Factory. Play around with loanfactory.com website. Play around with our pricing engine. And again, if you feel free to talk to our onboarding staff. If you don't want to join, that's fine. But if you want to join and still have questions, ask them or ask me. I would love to address all of it. And by the way, I forgot to mention one thing. We do have stock. We have RSU. If we look at your past 12 months, if you close at least one loan per month, then you qualify to get RSU. The more you close, the more RSU you get. and we have it on our website as well. So the goal is, my goal is to lead Loan Factory to become a public company. We will become a lender. And when we become a lender, we have the technology that help us save the cost, control the pricing. We have the best pricing out there. Because if we become a lender, we don't have additional, we don't have much cost, but we can capture the profit in lender. And that will allow us to compete and offer our client and our loan officer better pricing. So, and that's why I can, Loan Factory right now, we have 2,300 loan officers. Our goal is to hit 4,000 end of next year, and then 8,000 the next year. And then we'll go public. We have better technology, better platform, better pricing, better service for everyone. So that is the goal. Kevin, hello, Kevin.
Yeah, hey again. That's amazing. Two questions. One, the 25 bips on company leads, does that apply to those aforementioned Facebook leads? Okay, and then second question.
What is the first question about company lead?
Oh, the 25 bips, you know, per company leads, no flat fee. Does that also apply to the Facebook leads that we were talking about?
Apply to what?
The Facebook leads.
No, Facebook lead is completely different.
Okay, what's the commission structure
The
of
Facebook
that?
lead, so the Facebook lead, Trigger lead, and Rocket lead are free. But because it's free, we split 50-50 of the commission.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand. And then my second question, how do your rates or your network of lenders rates compare to, you know, the credit unions and, you know, that classic like first time home buyer that has a really good credit score because they've really worked on it. So they just go to their local credit union, right? I mean, can we compete with that as well?
You know, for first time buyer, we have some program, but I don't think we can beat the direct lender on the first time buyer programs. But you can check it out. We have a lot of first time buyer program from the lender.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about non first time home buyers? How would Loan Factory compete with the credit unions?
Credit union are very similar to the bank.
Yeah.
So if we compare jumbo and adjustable rate, we are losing to them. But if you talk about fixed rate, conventional FHA and VA, we beat all of them.
Okay, that's really good to hear. And
Yeah.
actually, that was my last question that I forgot. You know, does Loan Factory close a lot of jumbo loans or no?
No.
Okay, but
we close jumbo loan. We close jumbo loan for those who are not well qualified. You know, the bank and credit union, their DTI, maximum DTI is like 41%.
Okay.
But we can do up to 50%.
Okay. If I had a client that needed a pretty serious jumbo loan, would I just have to partner with somebody and refer it out, or is there something available in the
I think Craig said earlier, you should partner with some local banker. And then that's what I do. I have a list of local banker. When I have a deal, a good one, well-qualified borrower, I check with them and find out who have the best rate and refer to my client. That way my client will love me. But if the client is not well qualified, the DTI is like 45, 48%, and I keep it. I told them straight, your loan is borderline, you're not well qualified. You go to the bank, they will deny you. I can help you, but I have high rate. I tell them.
Yeah, I see. Okay, and then when you become a direct lender, do you have plans to try to expand the jumbo loan side of things?
No lender can beat the bank on jumbo loan.
The bank, like the big banks?
No matter who you are. Even Rocket and European cannot beat the bank.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, no worries. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you,
All right,
Kevin.
thank you so
Hey,
much.
and Kush. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hi, and Kush.
Yeah, hi, sorry, last question, then I will shut up. So you mentioned regarding RSUs, right? Like if we close loans, you will be issuing RSUs. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? Like, is it per loan or like amount? Like, and like what's the program?
Yeah, it's on our main website, and I can share with you. It's on our main website. When you go to here, you can see White Loan Factory every Friday here, and I have a page to talk about this. Receive cash or SU when you refer a loan officer. So if you click here, you can see that this is your production, and you will get this many shares. So in the past 12 months, you close 60 loans, you get 10,000 shares.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Marcus?
Yes, sir. Okay, last question for me as well. This was pertaining to the leads. So just to confirm, if we do want to pay for the Rocket Leagues, that was $1. If we did want to pay for the Facebook leads, that was $4 to $5. And then what about, is it possible to pay for the company leads, or is that just a flat 25 bips?
Company lead, we don't sell.
Okay.
For
And then
Facebook lead, you have to run it yourself. And
okay.
the cost vary more or less. It depends on the strategy. Yeah.
Okay. And then the trigger leads, were those also $1, or is that had a different one if we wanted to pay for those ones?
Trigger lead, we set it at $2.50.
Okay. Or we take the free trigger for 50% commission.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. You can do it free first, try it out, and decide later. Yeah. And Kush, I think we talked already. Hi, Antonio. Hello, Antonio.
Yes. We're talking about leads, and can you tell me about the company Facebook leads, and if I want to set up my own Facebook leads, how long will it take to do?
You can set it up and you can run it the next day, very fast.
Do I have to be? Do my license have to transfer before I can run a Facebook ad? Right?
Can you say that again? I'm sorry.
I have to be fully on board. My license has to be transferred in order for me to start running any Facebook ad. Correct?
You want to run it under a loan factory? Yes, but you can run it now under your company now. But again, they might not have a tool, or they don't have the support to help you how to run ads. At Loan Factory, we can help you. We have the tool, we have the staff to help you run the ads.
Is the Facebook ad run through funnels, or they just go directly to?
It's up to you. What I showed earlier, when you run the ads, you can decide what you want. You want leads or you want traffic. So you want lead, Facebook will send you the lead, the name, phone number, and email. They send it to you. And that's the lead. You run an ads, you tell Facebook that, hey, I want to run ads and I want lead, send me lead. And the lead will have name, phone number, and email. Or you can look, when you run ads, you can tell Facebook, hey, I want traffic. Here's my landing page. You know, do whatever. Bring a lot of traffic to my website. People will see my ads, they are interested, they click on it, take them to my website. That's the traffic.
Let's
leave it. All right.
Okay. So yeah, I mean,
and I'm sorry. Last question. When is onboarding? Is which day of the week, and how long will it take?
Which day of the week? I'm sorry. You can onboard anytime. We can help you onboard. We go through the paperwork. My guess is about 1 to 2 weeks. It should be completed.
Okay.
And the team will work with you and guide you step by step. So thank you everyone today. I think it's a rate section, a very informative. a lot of questions, and I love it. It's already more than 2 hours. I guess most of you learn a lot, and thank you for staying all the way until now. That means you are serious. You learn a lot and you like it. And I want you to keep thinking about what I told you. Try to become a better loan officer. Try to be competitive. Try to help your clients. Otherwise, you're not gonna be successful. So thank you, everyone. I hope to work with you. I hope to be able to help you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.